Well, hey folks, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, I've got a fun redneck project that I think some of you are going to like out there. Now, I do quite a few videos of my RC vehicles and my drones, and I need both hands when I'm driving an RC vehicle or I'm flying a drone. But I really want to take videos of the vehicle or the drone in motion. And a lot of times my dogs are out running around, and I want to take video of them as they're traveling around. Or if I'm on my e-bike, I want to take video of whatever I'm looking at. And so I've had a real problem with any of the camera mounts that I've got, like the chest mounts, they only look directly forward. So if I'm looking over here, looking at something interesting and talking about it, this camera that's on my chest isn't going to take a picture of that. If I have the camera mounted to my e-bike or to a tripod, it's only stationary. It's only going to see what's in front of it. It's not going to be following and tracking what it is that I'm looking at. So what I decided what I needed is a hat camera. And I went online, I went on Amazon, went and looked. None of them really fit what I wanted to be able to do. Some of the GoPros and things like that, a big funky mount on the front of a helmet or something like that. I really didn't want that. I like my hat. This is the hat I wear all the time. I wanted to be able to put a camera on my hat. They don't really make them out there. So I decided to redneck my own. So this is what I got. Now this is my camera. This is a body camera. And I got this, it's made by Focus. It's a mini body camera. It's a 1080 pixel camera. It takes really good video and audio, or you can take still pictures with it. And I've used this a lot. Generally, I just hang it on my jacket or something like that. But lately, I've been putting it on my dog's collars, and you can see what happened. It had a clip that used to come down here. Well, they got a little rambunctious. They broke that clip off. So now I can't hang it on anything. But I decided the camera and everything still works really well. So I'm going to turn this into a hat camera. So what I did, I got some of these cheap Velcro tabs at the dollar store, and I attached a Velcro tab to the back of the camera. And then I tried thinking about attaching it to the front of my hat up here, but because of the angle of this, it was going to be pointing up in the air. It wasn't going to give me a direct view of it. But I'm a redneck. How do rednecks wear their hats? We turn them around, right? Okay, so I turned my hat around like I would be riding on my e-bike. This is how I'd ride on my e-bike anyway. And I put that Velcro tab right there on the strap, and then I attached the Velcro to that. And now I've got a good solid helmet mount. And now it will track whatever I'm looking at all times. So this frees up both my hands, because I need both my hands to fly drones or ride my RC vehicles. And so whatever I'm looking at, that's what it's going to be filming the whole time. And same thing if I'm riding my e-bike. If I'm looking over there now and I'm going down the road, you're going to be seeing what I see on what I'm looking at instead of what the direction the e-bike's going. So I like that idea. We're going to give it a try, and I'll show you how it works when I take my RC vehicle out and we'll drive it around with the dogs and see how it looks. But I also also use it for another way. If you're into RC vehicles or you're using some type of controller or drone or something like that, I also attach one of those Velcro tabs right to the front of my controller, so I can take this camera off here and I can just attach it on there. And now as long as I'm pointing at my vehicle, it'll take good video of my vehicle or on my controller, my drone controller. As long as I remember to kind of aim my drone controller at the drone, then I'm also going to get good video of my drones. So I think that'll work really well. I'm going to take you outside. We're going to drive around my RC truck with my
That's a good flip. Ha ha ha.